All right, question 1. Which of the following expression is equal to 0 for some value of x? Right, A, we have absolute value x minus 1 minus 1, or absolute value x plus 1, right? Or C, 1 minus x, absolute value plus 1, and then absolute value x minus 1, and then plus 1. Okay, so we want one of them to equal to 0. So if we try plug in some number, see if we do for letter A, right? For example, if we plug in x equal to 1, maybe, if x equal to 1, that's 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1, that's negative 1. Now, if we want it to equal 0, what if we say x equal to 2, for example, right? For letter A, if x equal to 2, see, this will give us 2 minus 1, which is 1, and absolute value of 1 is also 1, and absolute value makes everything inside positive number. Okay, if it's negative, turn to positive. If it's positive, stays positive. So absolute value of 1 is just 1, and then we do 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. All right, so for letter A, when x equal to 2, this whole thing is equal to 0, so that could work, right? Okay, so letter A then should be our answer. Okay, if you look at the other choices, and we could try different number, right? If you plug in 0, 1, or even negative number, the other ones will never work because, okay, think about this, the absolute value makes everything inside positive, right? So the smallest we can get inside the absolute value will be 0, but then we have like a plus 1, right? So plus 1, so absolute value will be either 0 or positive, but if we do another plus 1, see, this will never be 0, okay? Because even if you had 0 in the absolute value, if you do a plus 1, right, it will be 1, okay? So it won't be equal to 0. So if you do a plus 1, in order to equal to 0, the inside absolute value had to be a negative 1, which is not possible, okay? So the only one that could work had to be A for number 1. And this one, we could do it by plugging in some number and try the math.